Hi everyone, I am Yasuko and it's time for Massage Monday. Oh my gosh, I couldn't believe how many people wanted this foot massager. Well, thank you for the entries, and some of the comments made me want to send this to you right away. But I only have one right now, so I'm going to draw a lucky winner. There were 128 entries from the YouTube comments and on my blog post on my website. In order to do this fairly, I entered all the names into the spreadsheet. I thought about doing random number generator online, but I wanted to put some heart in this process, so I'm going to do this totally manually. I cut up the index card into small pieces and put numbers one by one, and I put them in this little bag. So I'm going to pick a winner from this. Drum roll, please. There's the lucky winner. Who's the lucky winner? Okay, the lucky winner is number 76. So let's look who the number 76 is. Josie Staunton from YouTube. So congratulations, Josie. I will try to get a hold of you so I can arrange the shipment. I have no idea where you live, but I will ship this to you. So congratulations. And I also put some message here. Happy foot massaging. This was actually really fun for me, so I think I'm going to do this more often. Maybe when I hit certain number of subscribers. So let's do the next one at 115,000. How about that? I have about 112 and 600, so about 2,400 more. And I'll do another giveaway. And for those of you who wanted to know where you can get this, you can get this at Daiso. Daiso is a Japanese company, but they have stores around the world, surprisingly. You can look up their locations from their link, and I'm going to put the link in the description. I will also include the link for Amazon if I can find one. So this is a great self-foot massage device, but I'm also learning the importance of ankle massage. When your ankle is really hard, it can distort the body from the bottom up. So this week I'm going to show you some ankle massages that you can add to the foot massage that I showed 2 weeks ago. Hook your index finger and circle around the outer ankle bone 10 times. Hook the other index finger and circle around the inner ankle bone 10 times. If you want to save time, circle around both at the same time. Glide up between the Achilles and outer ankle bone with a hooked index finger. Do it 10 times. Glide up between the Achilles and inner ankle bone with a hooked index finger 10 times. Again, if you want to save time, glide up both sides at the same time. Use a lubricant as needed. Grab your foot by putting your fingers between the toes and circle from the ankle 10 times one way. And 10 times the other way. Repeat on the other side. Thanks for watching. I'll see you back next week. Make it a great week. Feel free to comment below and please don't forget to subscribe.